another quick video for my beginner series, and this one is more of an appetizer than a meal. And I'm going to make quesadillas, and it's got 4 ingredients. So we have a large tortilla, which I'm going to put in my fry pan here that I have on just below medium. So I've got mine's on about 4 out of 10. And the other 3 ingredients are some frozen chicken breasts that I buy in a big bag. I've used them in a couple of my other videos. Chicken breast cooked, and grated cheese, and some salsa. So I'm going to start by spreading the salsa on my tortilla. I'm just going to be a little bit generous because it's kind of the glue that holds everything together, well, along with the cheese, I guess, and because it's super yummy. Now, if you want to get fancy, you can also chop your own onions, chop your own peppers, but that's all in the salsa, so I kind of just leave it at that. And then I'm going to put the chicken. And the chicken and the cheese, you more or less just want on half of it because you're going to fold it over. So there we go. It's on half, if you can see that. And then the grated cheese. And excuse my fingers, but it's my meal, so I'm the one who's going to be using my fingers to eat it. So I might as well use my fingers to cook it too. So there we go. Actually, a little more cheese. I love my cheese. There we go. Flip that over. And I'm just going to give that about 2 minutes on that side. Flip it over another 2 minutes. And then I'll serve it. So just stay tuned. I'm going to speed this up a little tiny bit and come back. All right, I'm back just to flip it over. There you go. You can see it's just crispy and brown on that side. A piece of chicken popping out there. It's important not to have your pan too hot because otherwise you'll just burn the outside before you've nice and warmed up the middle. Everything's cooked on this, so cooking it through thoroughly isn't like super important, but you, of course, if your meat is still cold out of the freezer, you're going to want to make sure that's warmed through, and of course you want your cheese all melted and gooey. So I'm going to leave that for 1 more minute, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, nice and sizzly. And now I'm just going to take that off, put it on my plate. And now I'm just going to snip that into 4 pieces with scissors and serve it with sour cream or whatever it is that's your fancy. So, bon appetit. Save yourself a trip to the restaurant or your Uber Eats and save yourself a whole bunch of money. Have a great day.